we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket option now. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on profile. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click on profile. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to next here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to education emails. Click here in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's me subscribe to education emails, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.